you know from the beginning that it would be complete chaos here. I just washed my hair and I would like to make the same braids that I had before washing my hair, but I cannot find the hairbrush, so perfect. I don't know how I will do it. Probably I will brush my hair with my hands. There's no other solution because I have to unpack everything in order to find all the stuff that I need in my everyday life. They're so shiny. I really like them. The color of my hair is natural. I think it's obvious. Let's attempt to do them. It's good, I like it. As you can see, I have also protein bars from Greece. These ones are really delicious and they're very healthy. You can see that they don't have added sugar, and yes, they have also a Greek cheese that gives them a really unique taste. This one is with chocolate, banana, with oats, and with this cheese that you can see here, but it's in Greek. This one is with chocolate and they have some sugar, so I prefer these ones. These ones are with, you can see oats, the Greek cheese, carob, and peanuts. And these ones are the same as these ones. They don't have added sugar, and they were approximately €2. So very good price, and they have 8 bars each box, and these ones have 10 bars. If you go to Greece, try them. They're delicious and very healthy. I'm gonna reorganize my dressing room and my new drawer dresser that I bought from IKEA. I will show to you. It's this one, as you can see. We'll make a renovation in our apartment. We're gonna renovate also, not renovate, but like the cables and all the electricity stuff will be renovated in the dressing room. So I have to get all the clothes out of the dressing room so that the workers can really work there. And as you saw, it's a small dressing room. Like, I don't have a dressing room really like the dressing room of my dreams or the dressing room that have the influencers, but you know, never stop dreaming. Like, I think I don't want something very big, but I would like something, I would say double the size, like 4 or 5 square meters. I saw so many big dressing rooms on the internet, like 20-30 square meters, like the size of my living room or at least of my bedroom. So yeah, I don't know, like, you have to really have a lot of things and to be in the fashion or I don't know, like influencer, but like a simple person doesn't really need such a big dressing room. But yes, I would like to have a little bit more space because it's better organized and it gives you more motivation to dress up with different clothes every time that you go out. Whereas now I really wear very simple clothes and they are always the same clothes. Because yes, I don't really have the perspective and how many clothes I have or what clothes I have. So a really organized dressing room prevents you from buying clothes that you already have, because sometimes, you know, I think it's the same for all of us. We forget about clothes or shoes that we have and we're gonna buy something, but after we will find out that we've already had it. I'm talking a lot because I don't want to start the decluttering. You know from the beginning that it will be complete chaos here, so you don't want to start it, but yeah, I have to. The problem is that I'm also editing a video that I would like it to go live either today or tomorrow. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I have to do. I've already put videos from our Balkan trip, so you can go and watch them. We went to many places this summer. If you like traveling and seeing new places and want to get some ideas where to travel or what you can see in the places that I went, you can check out my videos